by $2Y$. You fucking asshole.
I managed to.
How does it feel being a dirty dick licker, you motherfucker? Holy fucking. All right, so we've come to the conclusion. Our rear shock seems to need some assistance.
Yep. The shock has been blown since we picked up this bike, and since it's a bit of an annoying job, we've been putting it off for 6 months. But finally decided to do it. It's a rainy day. May as well get this shock situation figured out. So just a basic rebuild, not going crazy on it.
Here she comes. Oh, she coming good.
Get all that dirt inside your airbox. It's fun. Good for performance.
Always a good excuse to get it cleaned again.
Yep.
Damn, that thing looks in
wash.
really good shape, man. That's impressive for the age of this thing. Damn,
Yeah, pretty straight.
it is incredible. Dude, that looks factory.
Right off the showroom floor.
Wow. Where are you gonna put it, man?
Somewhere. Isn't the dust inside the airbox?
Fucking totally fall off the stairs.
Probably just fall right up the stairs.
Dude, you know how crazy this is right here?
Perfect.
This is dangerous. Oh. Dude, it's a time trials thing. Whoa. That looks incredible. Wow, it's like a new sport invented. Holy crap. Wow. All those hours of working out can finally pay off. This is incredible. Dude. I think we've discovered something new. Let's check out the situation here. Here she is, plugged right in. It's pretty clean in here, actually. Nothing's too crooked. So we got our new location for another tool set. Sweet ass tire locator. Awesome. And making progress.
It's like double thread. Got a nut on the frame, and then another nut on top of that nut. It's really.
They knew if this comes out, it's all your torsion.
I mean, if this comes out, it's literally going through your asshole.
Wow. That never occurred to me before, but you think the airbox will stop it? You think it's that serious?
Asshole will stop it, I'm pretty sure.
Whoa.
So we got our shock out.
Is your cavity that big? Could you hold something like this? This is insane. What in the fuck is happening here?
Shall we wash?
We shall. The brush is out. Cleaning's happening. I'm voicing over.
Good scrubbing.
You know,
Don't have to go too crazy.
it's got this passion in it.
Just a pile of shit KX, you know?
I love me KXs,
Clean it
man.
up.
I don't know why you're hating in the KX, man. I really love it.
Shouldn't even clean this. We should just take it apart right now.
Oh man, I'm just so impressed by the longevity of all the parts on this bike, and the fact that you're cleaning them is just unheard of.
I have to take this thing apart.
It's incredible.
Any foreign objects getting in,
Oh yeah.
messing up the operation of this fine shock unit.
It's gotta last you a long time. I have a good feeling about this.
KX will definitely outlast its owner in most cases.
Can't deny it. Here we got her semi-clean.
Incredible.
And she's just running. Look at that. Woo.
You spin all the way. loosen up the spring. Should probably take note of where it goes, unlike us. That's just loosen it up and then guess later where it goes back.
Nah, you'll feel it.
Yeah, you just adjust it where you like it, you know?
Yep.
You can maybe look up how to set your sag from all those nerds that do that. We're just gonna throw it on there, you know?
Yeah. Wishful
Throw it
thinking.
on. Take out this little doodack right here.
Nobody needs it anyway.
And then this doodack, take the spring out and throw it in the garbage.
Eibach spring.
Look at that shock shaft.
That's sick. Whoa.
It looks straight.
Can you?
Oh my god, something was inside.
It's got 20 psi.
Holy crap.
It's supposed to have like 150, but we got 20,
Be thankful
24.
something was in there.
We got 24 psi.
Holy fuck.
Holy shit.
I thought it would be nothing, guys. Fuck.
Holy shit.
20 psi. Dude, you were still good to ride. Why the hell did we do this?
We're still good to go.
Oh my god, we're so dumb.
We're supposed to have 150, but we had 20.
That's really fine. The bike was performing just as designed.
Yep, nothing even came out. That's wonderful.
Look at that, guys. Totally
Little
safe thing
valve
to
here.
do.
Yep.
Wow.
Little cap. Put
Nice.
this aside. And adjust all these adjusters back out.
Until they come out.
Not until they come out, but it'll let the new fluid. Oh, you motherfucker!
Guys, this door's made out of fiberglass, just backed into it. Didn't hurt too much, but goddamn, man. Dude left this trap for me to fucking nub myself on.
Yeah, it's quite a bit. Alright.
Dude, he's so excited. Look at his face. That's like face of pure excitement.
Man, this might make a difference. You know, most things you modify on your bike makes no difference at all. You might actually feel this.
I think he's been thrown over the handlebars way too many times. So this is the moment of truce. He's just kind of amazing, man.
See what happens. Of course, we're not going to do this, right? Because we're going to put air in this instead of nitrogen.
Nobody uses nitrogen. That's a myth.
Think so?
Of course.
Everybody on YouTube says there's nitrogen.
You think any of these YouTubers know how to spell nitrogen? No.
Nitrogyn.
P-U $$ Y question mark. I think I got it. Woo.
This was holding up my entire motorcycle. It actually got stiffer now.
Maybe you just got arm pump.
What is happening?
This is insane, guys. You don't want this to happen. Woo! All the air came out. Oh no! It's like a Prius shock.
Leave some performance to be desired.
This is incredible. Is it plush?
Very plush.
Are you just riding spring?
Bottom out. But it's not plush anymore. You're hitting the ass really hard.
You gotta adapt.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta do more stand-up riding.
I was with the clickers like midway. Let's see what it's at full soft. Loosen all the clickers. Oh, this one's already loose. Cool. Didn't know. Always know position of your clickers.
Nah. Just set in the middle and leave it alone.
That's one technique.
I heard a famous person always say, set it in the middle, leave it alone.
Right.
Look how far he has to walk to get to the tools. That's why he put this table here, so he gets some exercise. No other reason. Could have easily put this table over there. Nah. Loves the walk. Walk of fame or shame.
This is, what was this, low speed or high speed compression?
It's just compression, bro. Don't ask questions.
Compression is compression. Alright, all adjusters loose. Next thing.
Wait, I think these are rebounds. I don't think any of them are compression. Oof.
That real
Here, hold my
consistent
beer.
shock action.
Guys, don't do this at home.
Dude, feel the shock. That's crazy.
Hold on a second. Alright guys, this is very hard to show on video, but just look at my hand shake as it goes down. Something's wrong inside, causing some kind of shaking, jerking motion. Come on. And then it just goes smooth. I hope that caught on camera well. Never seen this before. Or any other shock, but thumbs up. All right.
Worth. Rostov Max Ice.
Wow. The hell is this shit? Tell me about it.
Well, it's good for rusty bolts, but it's also a penetrating oil. So you spray it in here. It helps you push down this little cylinder to get it out. A little bit of lube in there.
Mira, what's up? Did you go for a ride?
No, I didn't.
Oh, Mira said suspension filters, so I assume you just took out the bike.
Why are you worried?
No. No, but you still can't take out the bike. I'm just kidding.
Why not, bro? He's got a good track record.
Mira? Yeah.
He's gone for 3 rides and he only crashed once.
What are you guys doing today?
Just rebuilding the shock on my bike.
Okay. Cool. Alright. Yo, I took the boat out, right, Saturday morning,
Nice. How was it?
and found out that the shaft that goes into the motor, right,
Yeah.
there's like a rubber boot. It's ripped, so like I got a bunch of water in there.
Okay.
So I might need to bring the boat back.
All right. Sorry, that wasn't for you. Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, I just wanted to make sure there's space.
Yeah, we'll find some space.
Alright, thanks, man.
All right, man.
Talk to you later.
Yep.
Holy water. It's not even oil, it's just water.
Yeah, there's something in there.
Dude, that is not oil.
I can smell it. It's disgusting.
It has like 1% oil in it.
Smell it, bro. It's terrible.
What is this? This is not oil. This is like used motor oil mixed with water. This is so gross.
It smells like rancid. Rancid fluid.
Just water. Just stale sitting water. Damn, it's nasty.
That's like real nice.
You know that drink all the yoga people drink? You know what I'm talking about?
Incredible.
So you have any thoughts about your experience there?
Well, I'm happy there was some fluid in it, but it looked like mostly water. Or very, very old shock fluid that was black. But that's why we're doing the rebuild.
You look real happy.
Yeah, I'm excited. I think it's gonna make a difference.
I definitely think this will make a huge difference.
I think we're gonna feel something,
Wow.
good or bad. I'm not sure. We're gonna feel something.
Well, I hope you fall.
Thanks. I hope I launch my bike right into your head.
That's totally a possibility. And it's happened before the shock rebuild, so nothing new. Just plug back in. Dude, that's way too much torque.
do you know?
It was hand tight before.
I still had tight. I didn't use a fork wrench.
That's true.
Thanks. You guys see what we did here? Any guesses?
Just throw it right back in the bike. Duh.
Put it right back in.
Yeah. It's ready to go.
It's loose.
It's got air in it.
Put some air in it.
I mean, we have nitrogen too.
Oh yeah. Do we?
Why do we have it?
Nitrogen? I don't know.
I think we only got it because nobody on YouTube has it.
I'm gonna do things legit here. No cut corners.
No cut corners, just shop towels.
Mm-hmm.
And viced vices. How many vices does it take to vice a vice? Got it? Nope. Start over. We need my uncle over here. I'll get this thing. Get this thing done. We should just probably invest in an adapter for the Vice. Get all pro and everything about it.
Lesser men.
Lesser men. Yeah. I woke up a man today. Not sure about yesterday. But I was on cleaning duty the other day. She had me cleaning. You got this!
Looking real good. Crack your shock.
Bam. Nah, this thing's uncrackable. 20 other guys before you tried to crack it. Kidding me? You're not the one. You are not gonna make this happen. Alright, hold on. So we had this 29 millimeter socket.
Mm-hmm.
Right in there. So press it in.
Mm-hmm.
Real easy.
Piece of cake.
That seal was in real easy going mode. Let us in there for free.
Mm-hmm. Now we're gonna struggle with this little clip. Hopefully we can use two little pick situation tools to get this thing out of here. What do you
Go to
think?
the other side.
We got one pick. And we're gonna try to.
Holmes, I think you're onto something.
And hopefully it doesn't go in your face. Alright.
Got the phone protecting me. Whoa. No spring pressure. Guys, just pull it up. It
Pull
doesn't
that thing right out.
it doesn't even need anything.
Just use your fingers.
I'm not sure about putting that thing ever back in here.
You gotta put it back in. It's the only way.
Oh my god.
That stupid shit. Oh, sorry.
PG-13 moment.
Stupid shit.
PG-12 moment. We're gonna run out of these moments. Guys, this is some atrocious things. Wow. All for you.
Yeah, nice and crunchy. Nice and crunchy thread engagement.
Some
Love it.
serious crunch. That is not a healthy sign. But Shock's been through a lot more than you can imagine. I don't think we can afford to throw anything out. I'm trying to do this as cheaply as possible. Imagining how most people would do this in a Kixer.
We're using everything.
Whoa, look at that silicone spray.
Never have too much lube. Straight in there. Right in that gap.
Nice.
Grab this with some old rusty pliers. And try not to punch yourself in the face.
You got this.
You know what I'm acting?
I hear the brapping. It's the call of the wild.
Whoa.
Did the rain stop? Can we go out now?
Look at this condom right here.
Whoa. What in the God's name happened here? Holy molasses. Oh my God. I want to say a lot of things right now. I don't think I'm allowed to. Oh
This looks
Lord.
in pretty good shape. I don't think we need to replace this thing.
Awesome. Let's keep it. I don't think. Don't. Don't Don't do it. Nah.
Oh, there's some nasties inside there.
Just take a look what we're dealing with. Ooh, that's where the rest of you is. Wow. This has been so educational. Is that soap in there? How the hell did that happen? I guess when we were washing the bike, some soap got in there. Don't know how. Well, it's entirely possible. That seal wasn't really doing much. Fuck. Power washing, guys. Be careful. Damn.
It's happening. You gotta wash your condom and reuse it.
Yeah, give it a good cleaning.
Put it right back on your dick.
Oh yeah. PG-13 moment.
Oh, scrubbage never hurt, you know?
Yep. Good. Yep, tap it out. We're good. Here she comes. Alright, I'll hold this individual area. Well, yeah.
There it is. Oh yeah. That's what it should look like.
Holy shit. Like,
Got it.
actually, holy shit. You guys fucking with me? These derpers never rebuild this? Holy fuck.
Stop.
So guys, when you're riding out there, your shock is like, and then you get into the rock, it's like, bam, bam. Well, we want that bam to be nice and easy.
We got another clip in here.
Hand tight clip coming up.
Yep. Get all that spooge out of there.
Wonder how that got in there.
No, this part's not really sealed. This is the actual seal.
Wow. But you know, that thing was pretty on there, pretty tight. Shouldn't be that much, eh?
Well, yeah, the outside's sealed, but the inside here, there's no seal.
Oh wow. Yeah, I didn't see that. Damn, it needs a seal.
That's your personal opinion.
Pro tip. Everything must be sealed.
Probably sealed on a KTM, right?
Has to be, right? That's why they pay for that KTM.
Assuming.
Okay, so we're trying to buy a KTM. If you're in reasonable selling, price range, hit us up. This is way more dangerous than it seems. That clip could come out with thousands of pounds of pressure. But judging by its age, it should be very tameable. Cue the music. Here she comes. Wow, progress has been made. Oh, awesome. He's done it. No one's been in here before, guys. Ever. High levels of concentration made this happen.
Finish that a little bit before we.
Proceed dirtying the rest. Oh man, I think we're gonna need more towels.
Need a thorough cleaning anyway. Or not.
Nah. Hey guys, highly recommend this song on the internet called Or Nah by $Y$. You fucking asshole.
I managed to.
How does it feel
avoid
being a dirty dick licker, you motherfucker? Holy fucking. Oh! Now we got.
Shock out. Nice and old.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, still splooging. That's good.
Got this nice piece cleaned. Look at that. Cleaned and dried as best of my ability. With the tools available at hand. That dude's still doing his own thing. And let's go get some new parts. Let's go, guys. We're gonna make this walk together. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let there be light. Where do you guys think he put the parts? Huh? Any idea? Any idea? I wonder what this is. Sweet. This guy's investing. What's going on here? Injector dynamics? This guy's crazy. Wants to go really fast. Here we go. Fire. Nasty shit. What's that? Is it crazy? Oh yeah, getting closer. Oh yeah. Bingo. Tusk. Diet Coke. Love it. Highly recommend it. Let's get out of here. Nice one finger action. Who do we have the pleasure of dealing with today? Tusk.
Amazing. Amazing. The Tusk shock kit. How much we get? This has the bearing seal head thing.
Speak louder.
What is
Can't hear
this thing
shit.
called? What is this thing called? It doesn't even say. It's the seal head thing. And we also got a bumper and a new C-clip.
Sick. One?
Amazing. Just one. I'll give you the other one.
Maybe only one really does something and the other one's just there for show.
We'll see. We'll see if it blows out of the shock.
Nice.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Alright. Here's your new kit. Shock Kit. The official title is Shock Kit. Tusk Shock Kit. Unboxing. One hand operation. Tusk Engineering. Bam. It's high quality. Yeah. It's taking a real quick break. Lunch break.
We're learning how to do what we're doing. A little bit of how-to action.
Whoa.
Popeye.
Damn. Is this a how-to or like a riding
Variety
show?
of shock oils and seal kits. General tools are required, as well as a few specialty tools. In some cases, the
You guys heard that? Specialty tools? That's how you know someone's super legit.
remove the upper subframe. We can remove the lower arm will drop, and then we can remove the bolt. Ready.
Alright, let's get
Now
to
is
it.
a good time to put on safety
What
glasses.
is this thing?
If you want to save
Just
yourself
put it at
some
like
work,
1.5x.
the spring, you'll be able to remove is from each other. That little search. The main difference. We have
Got
a
all
little
that.
seal cover.
Nah,
The
I'm
cover,
missing that one piece.
and this will reveal our dust seal and the seal head right below that.
You heard that? Dust seal?
We want to make sure to clean this really good. I'm going to use some contact cleaner and a rag. And using my Race Tech seal setting tool, I'm going to push down to holds the sill head in place. Clean this area.
Did that.
Could have done this earlier.
Did
When
that.
I'm done. Now I can push the holds.
Did that.
It's go with the rag over the sill area of the shock. I'm
Oh,
going
see, that's
to
what we messed
carefully
up on.
move the
Gotta
shaft
keep
of
the
the
rag
shock up
over
and
the
down and work the sill out of the
Face
shock.
of an asshole.
Dump the oil in a pan, and following the
Ruin
sill head
my
is
clothes.
the piston and valve stack. Now I'm going to work on removing the bladder. Wiggle this back. It may be difficult to get a hold of the bladder cap to pull it out.
Nah.
The valve stack. I'm going to spray it, move
Did
the
that.
piston and valve stack.
This is what we need right here.
To
Yeah, man,
do
he didn't
this,
even clean the
I'm going to
housing.
wrap
Did you
a
see that?
rag around the piston and the valve
Unbelievable.
stack.
What is he
I'm gonna wrap
doing?
a little bit of tape on it to hold it tight.
I like
The
these
shock
guys,
shaft
but
has been
there's
peened
some
on the outer
half-assery.
edges and on the center hole. The goal is to grind the peened edge
Ooh.
off the nut so it can be removed. On many shocks, especially Showa, it's important
see why ours
not to
never got
grind the
rebuilt.
peening around the center hole. This peening keeps the rebound seat in place.
Ooh.
Once you have ground the edge on the shaft around the nut, remove the rag
Shaft on the
and
nut?
then remove the nut.
we know what to do now.
Once the nut has been
do it.
removed, I like to get a screwdriver, set it in the end of the shaft, and pull the piston, valve stack, all the washers off together. That way I can't get them mixed up. There are a lot of washers here. These are used to control your valving, and you don't want to get those out of place. Then we can go ahead and remove the seal body and the little cap on the end.
I think we should just take the shock off the 125 and put it on the 250 and call it
End
a
of the
day.
shaft.
What do you say? Let's do it. Woo!
Do a little grindy poo. Hold this up for now.
Look at that, guys. That's what it's supposed to look like, actually.
You think?
We're professionals. Do not trust us.
Oh yeah.
Nice and
You
clean.
got the wrong part.
It's okay. Keep
Part
going.
of spinning. Oh, it's the right part.
It's the right part.
Grindy poo or- Good.
Just one more twist and let's inspect. One more twist is 7 twists ago. Inspection moment. Focus.
Little fucking suppen.
Nie bitten mnie wrotem. It's gotta be. You wanna tell the viewers what you're doing with that file?
Yeah, we're just filing the end of this shock shaft so the nut goes back on easier. And we're ready for that.
So I got some compressed air and a tub of oil. What do you think will happen if I point it in there? I don't know. You guys want to find out? No. Look at that, guys. The more I press, the more it moves. Uh-oh. I'm so sorry. Ah! Alright, got the bump stop. Got the new thingy. Got the top.
Here. Over there.
This guy uses this way too much. You guys don't need this much. When in doubt, lock that out. This guy staked it. And now he's staking the nut. Do 4 times. I've never seen this before. Need to get the air out the base. Just pour a little bit in. Look at that beautiful color. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes.
Slow.
Yep. Trying to get the air out.
See if there's a little more in there.
Definitely need a little bit more, but that's good progress. Needs to get just above that valve line.
Give it more power.
Once more, being cheap. Yeah. At this rate, we won't have any oil left.
Sweet Jesus. Why would you do that?
I told you not
We
to.
had plenty.
Told you not to.
We had plenty.
What a waste.
We're straight.
Let's take a look if we're straight. Straight enough. Gotta get just past where this C-clip will go. Take your time, as we are, taking about 8 hours. There he goes, pushing it in. Yeah, see that groove? That's where the C-clip will go. To be able to hold the pressure. Gently seating the C-clip on. Sweet. That was really nice.
Alright, moment of truth.
Alright guys, we got this dry air system over here. Been dying to show you. Really sweet. Look at that. Dry air for days. Or 90 minutes. But whatever. Anyway, so that nice dry air, or dry nitrogen, will be a nice combo for your shock. So we've just worked backwards. Seated everything in the oil. Working on that new C-clip. Looking good.
Still good. Still good.
Now way around slowly.
Put down there.
We have to release the pressure on this side. Get this piston all the way in.
All the way down there. Take it down.
I haven't been really filming the previous steps because it required a lot of help, as obviously you can see. Now I've got a free arm and good to go. Oh, is it in there?
I think so.
Nice.
Let's fill it back up with air. Get the air dryer.
We need the nitrogen and the hammer. So if you have a dry air system, you could use air on the cheap side, or nitrogen like we did with a slow pusher. Got it seated, no more bubbles coming out. Very happy with the results. Got the bump stop that we've never had before.
Woo!
They're probably the only thing we're gonna feel.
Look at that.
Nice and clean.
Nice bump stop.
You look excited. Let's go for a ride, man.
Crazy.
Never had this luxury before.
This away before something
Oh,
bad
catastrophic failure coming. Oh shit. $5 says he trips. So, got the spring back on. Starting to thread the thing back together. Hopefully, go. Oh yeah, I'm rolling. We done and we go to go. Test. Woo! First time ever feeling a rear shock. He's never had one before. Look at that shit. Wow. So, that's a 1 thumbs up.
Feels the same.